What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Building Things Out of Pallet Wood series. Today, I'm going to show you another super easy woodworking project to sell for a high profit. But without further ado, let's grab our hammer and start taking apart this pallet. And yes, I did extend onto my workstation. Leave in the comments below what you think about it. And instead of using these like 1x4 pieces, we're going to need these 1x6 pieces. And we're going to need 3 of them. We're going to need to save these nails. Gather all of the nails we collected. And all right, we got our 3 boards right here. And we also got our nails. And we're gonna use these nails to construct our project. First, let's trim off the end. We're gonna cut 2 pieces at 7 inches. We'll stack it on top to get consistent cuts. Now we'll cut past the nail marks and cut 2 more pieces at 9.5 inches. Over at the pallet, we got 2 pieces at 6 inches wide, and we also have a piece at like 5 inches wide. And we're going to use this to cut 2 pieces at 8.25 inches. And there we go, we got all the pieces cut with the miter saw, but we're going to need the bandsaw to modify some of these pieces. All right, on one of these pieces we just ripped from that 5-inch piece, we're going to need to measure over 2 1/8 of an inch with a square. And we're going to scribe a line all the way down that board. And before we cut that out, we're going to need to tray something else onto another board. Grab a paint can like this, and then grab your 7-inch piece right here. And we're going to lap our paint can over the board about halfway. And then we're going to take our marker and make a line all the way around it. We're going to cut out that piece. Now we can cut these 2 pieces out with a bandsaw or jigsaw. Unfortunately, I forgot to press the record button on my GoPro when cutting them out on the bandsaw, but I'm going to go ahead and skip to the sanding. Then we'll give all the pieces a little massage on the belt sander. We are going to be using these nails, and I don't think I've used nails on this channel before, but yeah, we're going to use those nails to tack it together. All right, you're going to grab your 9.5 inch piece right here, and then your 7-inch piece without that curve in it, and we're going to tack these 2 pieces together first. First nail is always the hardest, but we got it in. And I'm only using the nails that are pretty straight. And then we'll put on this other piece. And then we'll take our arched piece that we got cut out and put it in the front. Now we'll flip it over where this arch is facing down, and we're going to need to put in our bottom. The goal right here is just to make everything flush, and it's not going to wobble. And then our last piece should fit like a glove. Perfect. That was like, couldn't be any better.
Bruh.
All right, now we can give it one more whirl on the belt sander, and then we can stain it and it'll be complete. All right, Well, you can stop here, but just to go one step further, we're gonna slop some stain on this thing. But I've learned my lesson. No, no, no. Let's switch clothes. That's better. Alright, well you might be wondering what I just made, and it is a hat holder. And in this video right here, I already made one, but this is a different type. You just take your hat, fold the end in, and then there you go. And if you wanted to get more profit, you could probably personalize it, like putting dad on it or something like that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to go out in your shop and make some out of pallets. And like I did, you just take those nails that you got out of the pallet and you can construct it with those. Stay tuned because there's going to be more videos just like this. Thanks for watching everybody. I will see y'all next time.